So we have with us Ms. Arpita Sinha, co-founder and chief business officer, Cashwisery. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Please tell us what's one policy change that could genuinely accelerate the next wave of fintech innovation in India.
When it comes to policy change, I think it's definitely going to be full comprehensive participation in account aggregator framework. Now, the framework is already there, but unless all regulated financial entities are required to participate mandatorily, I'm talking about all major banks, AMCs, pension funds, NBFCs, unless all of them are required to share data through it, we are leaving massive opportunity on the table. So only when there's full participation, we'll be able to close the data gaps and open finance becomes real, right? So it would be, if we get this right, it would be the UPI moment for India in financial services.
Interesting, Arpita. How do you see the role of fintech evolving in bridging the financial awareness gap among everyday Indian consumers?
Right. So for the role of fintechs is definitely evolving when it comes to financial awareness, and like people were already very confused reading blogs and watching videos, and you bring ChatGPT and Reddit and influencers into the mix, it causes major decision paralysis, right? So when it comes to fintech, we don't need more content. What we need is more curation and better personalization, right? And that's what we are doing at Cashwisery. We are embedding micro education into everyday financial movements, right? So be it nudges on overspending, be it recommending investments in a timely manner, or even credit health alert, or breaking down complex financial journeys into bite-sized, actionable, goal-oriented steps. So the next, I think, next generation of fintech that truly creates an impact will have to not just offer tools but really personalized guidance in order to serve the next 500 million consumers in India.
Great, Arpita. That was very insightful. Thank you so much for answering all the questions with so much honesty. It was a pleasure talking.
Thank you.